we're making mixing.
Hey! Let's take it. Let's take it. Hi guys, hope you all well and safe. Today we're going to make donut with my little son.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Today we're making
We're going to make
donuts.
some donut. Oh, of course. Let's start now.
What's that?
Milk,
Okay. What else we have?
salt,
Okay.
coconut oil,
Oh.
butter,
Uh-huh.
spice. I don't know what this is.
Which one?
I don't know what
It is
this is.
vanilla.
Vanilla,
Mm-hmm. Egg.
2 eggs,
Okay.
flour,
Okay.
and then sugar,
Mm-hmm.
and then feed.
Okay. Yeast.
Yeast. Yeah, I did it. Let's get to measure your stuff.
Okay.
Warm water when you can put the yeast in it.
Okay. So you put the yeast inside first, okay?
Okay,
Is it?
it's inside.
Okay.
Now we have to mix.
No. Little bit of sugar.
And I will do
Only tiny bit of sugar. Okay. Put it. And then you mix it.
Okay. Put it on the side until the yeast works.
The yeast is start work, yeah? Okay. So how many gram around? 35 gram. What is that?
But
What is that you putting now?
this
Coconut oil.
coconut oil
Yeah.
in a little bit. 35 grams of butter. And I was
What are you doing now?
we're gonna put this in.
Butter inside, okay.
Which means we're gonna put milk in.
More milk?
Yeah, milk.
Okay. It's 1 cup, isn't it?
Yeah,
How much?
1 cup.
1 cup.
Can we mix some?
Mix it.
Ouch! I'm gonna melt it.
What are you doing, Aaron?
I'm
Slowly.
Slowly, Kanna.
okay.
You're doing everywhere, carefully.
Everything.
What do
Oh, you made a mess. First, we're putting sugar. I'm putting sugar in this.
Sugar? Okay.
Sugar, yeah. And
What are you putting, Amma? Aaron?
in vanilla.
You could put some vanilla now.
Yeah,
Okay.
some vanilla. So it doesn't get some salt.
Are we going to eat donut today?
Yep,
Are you sure?
yep.
Okay. Hey!
Inside it.
You have to put it inside the bowl, okay? No, not here. Inside the bowl. Don't break another one outside. No. Mommy said put it in there. In there. Okay, mommy help you.
Ah.
Put the shells in here.
Oh yeah, the cells.
What
Wash
is it?
your hands before you crack your eggs.
Before or after? Huh? Before or after?
Before, after.
Before and
First.
after? Okay.
Yes.
Now what are you
Now.
doing?
Oh, okay, here goes.
How much? 75 milliliter.
water.
Okay.
And now mix.
Can we give mommy to whisk it quickly?
No, it's all. Okay. Now, mommy whisk
Then
it.
after you can
Put the
continue.
flour in.
Okay. So let's put flour in.
Okay.
It's
You put in there.
seasoned.
Yeast in. What are you putting, Aaron?
Yeast in.
Yeast in, okay.
Okay, put the flour in.
Flour.
Okay.
Do the flour, mommy do the whisking.
Okay, you can do the whisking.
Yeah.
But you have to do faster.
Okay. Mommy will try to do faster. You put it all everywhere.
Oh gosh.
Look at that.
Okay, one drop it outside. Okay, in a minute, I'll mix it.
I think we done a big mess in the kitchen, Aaron.
Sorry, Daddy.
Huh?
Sorry, Daddy and Mommy.
It's okay. But we have to clean after.
You having fun?
Yeah, it'll be fun. I'm actually clumsy.
Who is clumsy? You put it.
Me!
You are clumsy.
Actually, yeah, I'm actually clumsy.
So you should come like this, mommy, is it? Okay. You have to get like this, yeah? Now after you're going to close it.
We need 5 minutes to rise.
It's not 5 minutes. How long we had it for?
1 minute to rise.
1 hour.
1 hour to rise. And then it's good to open it
You're going to open it.
and show everyone.
Okay. So after 1 hour it's like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And wow.
What is that now? What is this?
Ah.
What is this white thing? What is that?
It's all the ingredients mixed up together.
No. It's white flour.
Okay, dip it in.
Okay. Let's do it. And it's actually sticky. Rolling the dough, rolling the dough, rolling the dough.
What are you doing now, Aaron? What mommy doing now?
Yeah, he's actually rolling the dough.
Rolling it.
Yeah,
So what are you going to make again?
we're gonna make donuts.
Donuts.
Yeah,
Okay.
donuts. And then it's gonna be tasty
Is it?
with chocolate icing. We did it!
So what mommy doing now?
He's like
Doing the donut
doing the
rolls.
small one.
Oh,
He's
mommy
doing
making
the
the holes.
yeah the donut rolls.
Okay. Going to look yummy.
And tasty.
Yeah.
Now we have to make so delicious.
Can you say?
Hello everyone, today we're minutes to 20.
You have to keep it for how long? Aaron?
5 minutes and then it's
No, we said 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna wash our hands.
You're going to wash your hand?
Yes.
Yeah, show your hand. How messy it is.
1,000.
1,000 times messy. Okay. So we're going to make some glaze for the donut. So 1 cup of icing sugar. So a little bit of salt. Little bit. Yep. It's a vanilla. Yep. Some golden syrup. Show me the size. So, yep. Some warm water. Yeah. So here we have 1.5 cup. So you're going to make this one chocolate glaze, yeah? Yeah. For the chocolate glaze. So the cocoa powder, right? The chocolate, can you show cocoa? So cocoa powder. So she put 3 spoons. Little bit of milk. Some vanilla. Milk. It comes slowly like this, yeah? Then you add little bit milk, yeah? Step, don't add the milk all together, right? So we have to add little by little, yeah? Now let's add some more milk. We kept it around half an hour. The oil is ready as well. Let's fry it. Oh, careful. Let's take it. Let's take it. Ready. Yes, we need to decorate it now. This is a glaze that I caked it by chocolate. It looks so delicious.
No, not chocolate. No, not
Okay,
yogurt.
let's do another one. You another one. What do you want then?
This one?
What do you want? White chocolate? Okay, take the spoon.
sprinkles on it.
Give me
You're going to
sprinkles.
sprinkle
Wait,
sprinkles?
Sprinkles.
wait.
So you're going to decorate your own one. A little bit of finger.
Pick it with your fingers.
Take it with the finger and put it. Some fingers. What else you want? Oh, now we gave you some pearl balls. Okay. You're going to put it like that. It will be too much. You have to put it on top, not on the plate.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Evan.
I have this one.
Can you bite and tell them how it tastes?
And look more.
So mommy going to put some gloves.
Yeah.
With it. I'll help you with it. Don't squeeze it too much.
Go.
That's enough.
This one?
One more. Careful.
That's it. That's
Don't put
it.
too much. Okay, can you taste and tell them how it tastes now?
They're too sticky, I'm afraid.
It's too sticky, but you have to taste it and tell them, otherwise how do they know? Take one, it's okay. After we...
Do you want me to pick it up for you?
Okay, daddy will help you. Okay, mommy.
There you go.
Bite it. Oh, not yummy?
Tasty.
It is tasty. Okay, thank you. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
It was delicious, guys. It was a challenge to make with my little son, but he really loved it, enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it as well. If so, please subscribe to our channel, like and share with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell button so you will get the notification when we upload new videos. And see you in another video. Bye for now.